Alright, this is going to be a shot of me hopefully going out the back door from the kitchen. If I don't run over Lila. This one's a lot easier to go out. Ta-da! Now, instead of trying to go forward, like Jason told me to do, I'm supposed to go backwards to come in. So, let's see. And there's my cast. And yes, I'm hot. I'm very tired. That's it.